Boeing is actively monitoring recent events related to United Airlines Flight 328. While the NTSB investigation is ongoing, Boeing recommended suspending operations of the 69 in-service and 59 in-storage 777s, powered by Pratt Whitney 4000 to 112 engines, until the FAA identifies the appropriate inspection protocol. United Flight 328 departed Denver for Hawaii on Saturday. The right engine failed, shedding debris across 3 neighborhoods before the plane returned safely to Denver. United Airlines, the operator of the plane that experienced engine failure, announced it would temporarily ground all 24 of its active Boeing 777 planes with that engine model. Boeing supports the decision yesterday by the Japan Civil Aviation Bureau, and the FAA's action today to suspend operations of 777 aircraft, powered by Pratt Whitney 4000 to 112 engines. Boeing working with these regulators as they take actions while these planes are on the ground, and further inspections are conducted by Pratt Whitney. FAA Administrator Steve Dixon said in a statement, "Based on the initial information, we concluded that the inspection interval should be stepped up for the hollow fan blades that are unique to this model of engine." Japanese regulators also told Japan Airlines and All Nippon Airways to ground their combined 32 planes with the affected engine.